words of a Miss Mariah Carey, it's time. Okay, so before we get into decorating, I know that that's like the exciting thing. Brady brought home these, and he brought home these. And he picked them out without me having to tell him which ones to get. He literally was like, I know you like dark chocolate and mint. I know you like gingerbread people. And I know you were gonna want some peppermint liqueur. They're literally like thin mints, but minis. So you don't feel bad about eating them, but you eat the whole box because they're minis. You know? Okay. No, that one's nice. I think it's a no for me, dog. No. It's too thick. Big time no. You don't hate me.
Huh?
You don't hate me? Tree, like when we were kids, not for my family but for my best friend's family, we would literally like go out into the woods, chop a tree, drag it in the snow, and it was like honestly a lot of fun.
Yeah, you guys were like true lumberjacks.
We really were. We also like built an igloo.
Wait, what?
Yeah, we built an igloo.
How did you do that?
We made blocks of ice out of like gallon buckets.
Gallon. Oh,
like
I see. Like filling with actual water, or did you use snow?
We filled them with snow.
Oh wow.
We filled them with like packed snow and ice.
Wow.
And then we made an igloo. We also too made like this huge snowball, like a giant snowball. It was probably like this big.
Yeah.
And like as wide as like here to that coffee table. We were literally like 11.
You guys were like
and
little explorers.
And then we built tunnels through the snowball.
What the heck?
Isn't that crazy? Oh my god, there's nothing better than light.
Fill in the tree quite nicely.
Oh my god, I love these lights. Okay, we got these lights at Aldix. And
Studio City,
they were kind of expensive, weren't they?
I honestly don't remember, but I feel like they kind of
being like, these are expensive.
Well, that whole store was kind of like an experience, so I feel like they kind of like milked it for everything they could. Casual Hermes blanket right behind you. We're doing a classy Christmas.
Casual faux Hermes.
Yeah, true.
Right behind you. So here are the ornaments that I have. I've got these really pretty clear ones, and I've got these ones. I've also got these. I don't know if I'm going to do the white this year. Might be a little too much, but I might do some of these silver ones. And I've also got these that I would really like to use. So let's put those over there. Oh, I love this one. It's so pretty. Brady left to go hang out with some friends. He had a little guy night that he wanted to do, so I was like, I guess I will hang here. How cute are these? They're like little icicles. So I'm gonna put these on first. Here. Oh, stunning. These are just like clear icicles. A vibe. Boom. There. It's not that long, is it? Like maybe I need lights going through it. Or maybe like trail off. Okay, let's try this again. Here's what we've got going in the living room so far. I think it's kind of a vibe. I'm gonna sit down, watch some Christmas movies. So she just got here. I'm going to watch Grey's Anatomy. I'm thinking I should save Christmas movies until Brady's home. Brady's still hanging out with friends right now, so I'm going to do Grey's Anatomy. And then I'm gonna make my cinnamon rolls tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Wow, this is so satisfying.
Oh, little sister. Sisters are so cool.
They really are, you know.
She also usually waxes my legs, but she took too long, so I just shaved them. Like, they were like really fast. They were going on together.
Oh my god. See, I don't know if this is... Is this how it's supposed to look?
So I just
You should have sent us photos.
to happen here, so
Do they? You think so?
yeah, I think they did.
Okay, so my very first cinnamon rolls are done. Look at it. You guys, I'm not a baker, okay? Like, I'm not a baker at all. I sprinkled some cinnamon on the top. That's why they look a little bit interessante. Let's hope that they don't turn out tasting like literal crap. But I literally have powder all over me. Anyways, that was so much fun. I just have to cover them for an hour. I did a terrible job putting them in the pan. But, whatever. Okay, so the timer went off and they have risen quite a bit, so I'm gonna put them in the oven. Don't they look good? I'm calling them my funky rolls and not my cinnamon rolls because they're like a little funky, but like I kind of love them. You know, they're kind of more like, yeah, they're more like funky rolls, less cinnamon rolly, but let's put them in the oven. They came out of the oven. I put heavy whipping cream on them just to like soak them a little bit. I don't know how good they're gonna be. I mean, I'm nervous. I've never made these before, but let's make the icing and hopefully that. I'm just nervous. The tops are just like, they're not like gooey, you know? Like they're not gooey. Anyways, let's continue. I really like vanilla, so I always add a little extra vanilla. So, yeah. The moment of truth. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's not really, it's not really like cinnamon rolly. It's more like a crumble.
It's pretty good though.
What did I do wrong? Does this one look the same? They just look crumbly. What?
Try it though.
Oh, it's gonna be good, but like, it's just not. Okay, this one looks like the most put together out of all of them. What the hell did I do wrong?